Imagine typing one sentence and having an AI agent go find 50 potential clients for you. Names, emails, phone numbers, websites, all organized in a spreadsheet, while you do literally nothing else. That's not a hypothetical. That's what I'm about to show you, and it took less than 3 minutes. This is ASCN Agent, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set one of these up for yourself. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. So, what is ASCN Agent? A cloud platform for building autonomous AI agents that connect to tools like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, GitLab, Slack, and Notion, then run tasks on their own, scheduled or triggered, no handholding. No coding. Describe what you want by typing or voice, and it handles permissions and builds the agent. Chain agents into workflows, or grab a ready-made one from the marketplace. How's this different from ChatGPT, Claude, or Zapier? These agents run 24/7, connect to APIs and MCP servers on their own, and you can chat with them via Telegram or Slack. They also have persistent memory, name, time zone, preferences, past decisions all carry over. And if a tool doesn't exist, the agent builds one and reuses it later. Simply put, ChatGPT answers questions, Zapier runs mapped workflows, ASCN Agent plans, remembers, adapts, and executes. Let's build one. Here's the interface. Clean, simple, genuinely beginner-friendly. Don't let that fool you though, there's a lot happening under the hood. In the center is the prompt box, where you describe what you want the agent to do. Below that is the marketplace, if you'd rather deploy something ready-made instead. And if you've built agents before, they'll show up here too, so you can just pick up where you left off. For this demo, we're building a new one from scratch. I'll name it Lead Generation Agent. Now for the part that actually matters, the prompt. Here's what I'm giving it. Create an AI lead generation agent. Find 50 digital marketing agencies in London, United Kingdom, using publicly available business information. Collect the company name, website, publicly listed business email address, phone number, location, and a short description of their services. Organize all the results into a Google Sheet with separate columns, remove duplicate businesses, exclude incomplete or invalid information, and provide a summary along with the Google Sheet link once the task is complete. That's it, one clear, specific instruction. Hit Start, and the agent immediately begins analyzing the request and mapping out how it's going to get this done. Quick note on integrations. Right now, ASCN supports direct connections to tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Calendar, GitLab, Slack, Notion, and quite a few more, all visible on screen as we go. Since it needs to save the results into Google Sheets, it'll ask you to connect your Google account. I've already got mine linked, so I just confirm the connection and let it keep working. From here, it's just a waiting game. And a few minutes later, done. The agent built a full Google Sheet with over 50 digital marketing agencies in London. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. Company names, websites, business emails, phone numbers where they were publicly listed, locations, and a quick description of what each company does. All filled in, all organized by column. A few businesses don't list a phone number publicly, so those cells are just left blank, which is expected when you're pulling from public data. So how does this actually turn into income? Take the lead generation agent I just built. Instead of using it just for myself, I could sell that same output to marketing agencies, recruiters, or small business owners who need fresh leads regularly. Run the agent once, get a clean list of 50+ prospects, and sell it. Or offer it as a recurring service, refreshing the list monthly for a flat fee. That's the real opportunity here. You're not selling your hours, you're selling a working system, and a system scales a lot better than your time does. And here's the part worth sitting with. This whole thing took 2 to 3 minutes with almost zero manual effort on my end. Want leads from a different city or country instead? Just change the location in the prompt and run it again. Same process, new region. So what else can you actually build with this? Pretty much anything. A personal assistant that manages your inbox and gives you a morning briefing. An SEO or content writing agent. An HR agent that screens resumes for you. Research agents, customer support agents, social media automation. The list goes on. And here's why this actually matters for your income, not just your convenience. Lead generation is one of the most time-consuming parts of running a freelance business or an agency. Every hour you spend manually searching for potential clients is an hour you're not spending on the work that actually pays. Hand that research off to an agent, and you free up real time to focus on closing deals instead. Let's look at the pricing plans for ASCN. You can see the chart right here. Plans start at $0 a month, giving you 500 credits, and scale all the way up to the business plan, where you get up to 100,000 credits per month. You can pick whatever tier fits your needs and the features you're after. Both the personal and business plans include access to the private ASCN client community. The business plan goes further, adding things like a dedicated VIP manager and one-on-one voice support over Zoom or Telegram up to 3 times a month, along with a few other premium perks. You can pause the screen here to see the full breakdown. There are also limited time plans available if you're interested, so it's worth checking those out. And just below the pricing, you'll find a full comparison chart breaking down exactly what each plan offers, so you can quickly see which one actually fits what you need. If you want to try ASCN Agent yourself, the link is in the description. And if you use my code GUR15 at checkout, you'll double your subscription time. One more thing before you use the promo code. Make sure you send it directly to ASCN's support team so they can double your subscription time. Once that's done, you're all set to enjoy double the subscription. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.